my OG top tier chef's kiss killer combo. So if you would like to have these type of juicy, durable, defined curls, this video is for you. So let's jump right into the video. Real things are not come easy, no. Never been your average girl.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a wash and go, and I'm using my two favorite products, the She Moisture Curling Gel Souffle and the Wet Line Extreme Gel. I think it's the extra hold. These two together, oh my goodness, you guys don't understand. I've been using it for time now, and it's every single time that I use these two together, my wash and go or my style just looks popping. My curls look juicy, looks defined. So today we're doing that together. Anywho, my hair is fully washed. I think this is week two or week 3 of me using the Being hair brand. So I washed my hair with that. I have the leave-in conditioner on, and now it's styling time. So I'm just showing you how my curls look. You can see like how frizzy my hair is. So my curls are still there. We just need to go ahead and define them. I am parting my hair. I'm gonna do like about 3 sections. I'm just gonna start by finger detangling, and after that we'll go in with the souffle. So a little bit goes a long way. I don't use too much usually of the curling souffle. What I go crazy with is usually the gel. So I don't need too much of the souffle because, like I said, a little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna rub that into my hands because this one is a little bit more hard than the one I usually use. I'm gonna run my fingers through my hair just to create these clusters because, as you can see, my hair is already detangled. So by doing that, I'm creating like these clusters of hair, which will basically form the curl. And you see the frizz is kind of gone. You can kind of see through the hair and you can see the curls way better. So just gonna keep doing that, and I'm gonna add the gel on top of it, pretty heavy handed. Like I said, I like to use a lot of product in my hair, and just work that in as well. So it's coming to like seal everything together, makes it less frizzy, more weighed down, and the curls 10 times more defined. So I love using these two together, and it kind of elongates my hair as well. So yeah, so just work that in your hair, and as you can see, like the curls are bigger as well. So yeah, I'm just taking my time and just running my fingers through my hair. And this is what the first section should look like. You see how weighed down it is and just how flowy it is. Like, I did a good job. That's when you know you did a good job. You can see the curls and everything. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of like that section basically. So part it again one more time, and you can see how like my hair is already kind of dry. Anyways, we repeat the same process. So curling souffle, well, detangle, well, in this part this part actually I did not detangle, but usually it's detangle, curling souffle, like to create clusters, and then after that adding the gel back again, and then mixing everything together and repeat. So detangle, adding the curling souffle and detangle at the same time, adding the gel to seal everything together and elongate the hair, and just mix whatever section you have with the other section, put aside, and repeat. So yeah. So just before finishing the last section, just want to show you, this is what it looked like before. You can kind of see how frizzy it is. Short, not short, but like shrink. It's starting to shrink. And now we're gonna go ahead and fix all of that and do the same process. So do this all over again for the last, basically the last piece of that section. So this is what my first section is looking like so far. As you can see, it's all curly, juicy, elongated, and everything. My finger runs through it, like goes through it like butter. So now I'm gonna put this up and finish that part at the top, and I'm gonna show you basically how it looks. I just added a little bit more gel, I believe. We're gonna put this up and go ahead and do the front part of the half of my head. Anyways, y'all gonna see in like 2 seconds, but this is what it looked like before, and then I'm show you what it looks like after. And And there you have it. So this is the side, but one side of my hair completely done. You can see how heavy it looks, like my hair is just falling straight down, and it looks just so good, like so good. Like I love that process. So that's when you see I did a good job. You don't see too much frizz, just see the curls. And now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair. So yeah, so this is what it basically looked like before, and that is how it looked after. So there's not too much of a difference, honestly, when you look, but it's just when like it's dry that you can kind of see the difference, because the other side will be 10 times more frizzy, no curls, and the side where the product is put on, you can actually see the curls and it's not as much frizz. So anywho, and put this up, and let's go ahead and do the rest of my hair. There we have it. So I'm done. I did both sides, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my rattle comb.
Right the end of the day, and back and forth, this roller coaster's like
just a straight vibe. Anywho, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and remove my crocodile clamps, and as you can see, my hair looks so good. It's all juicy and it's ready to go. So now basically what I'm gonna do is prep it for the dryer. When parting my hair the first time when I washed it, I did not part it like properly or nothing, so I have to like redo my middle part, make sure that my middle part is clean. And after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff my hair, move my hair around to how I want it to look when it's dry. And this is how I want it to look when it's dry, because that's how it suits my face and my head the best. Yeah, so just like the foundation of how I want it to dry. I don't know if that, like, I hope it makes sense. Like, it's just move it around to how you want it to dry. Like, if you wanted a side part, do your side part before drying it, basically. That's how I work. I style it before I dry it type thing. So anyways, this is what my hair looks like. It's all cute. So when my hair is to my liking, I'm just gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer for a few hours.
So basically I finished my hair yesterday. So yesterday it wasn't completely dry when I went to sleep, but I still put on my scarf, went to bed, and stayed in front of like the fan for a few moments, and it kind of dried out my hair. I did stretch out my hair, so my hair is now stretched, so it did help dry my hair as well. So now it is dry. My hair is dry, and look at the bounce, the shine on it is gorgeous, beautiful. It's been, like I said, one day. I did my hair yesterday, and today this is the final outcome. And this is my favorite top tier killer combo. I've been using it for a time now, and it looks great. Do you see these curls? Do you see these curls? It is a little tacky to the touch, so after this, after stretching out my hair, I don't touch my hair. I do not touch my hair. So I don't be playing with it. I don't be no. I don't pull on it. No. I don't touch my hair after this point. The only time I touch my hair is like to put on my scarf, and in the morning when I fluff it out. Other than that, I don't touch my hair. It's really important. When you're done with your hair is dry, don't touch it. Anywho, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned a little something, and I hope you're gonna try my personal favorite killer combo. If you have some favorite killer combos, put them down below, and I can probably try them on for my hair. So anywho, thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.